7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys, in this video, taking a look at XRP, country rank number 7 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 month, XRP has gone as high as $0.38 and as low as $0.29. This is the XRP US dollar price chart from 2013 till 2022. Should we be accumulating our XRP through the bear market? XRP from its all-time high around $3.8 in 2018 has been dumping really hard. It came to a low of around $0.12. In 2020, XRP was not able to set a new all-time high in 2021. Should be holding XRP for the next bull run. Will XRP ever set new all-time highs? In this video, we'll also be looking at the XRP Ethereum price chart. Should we start flipping our Ethereum for some XRP? Or should we start flipping our XRP for some Ethereum? We'll also be looking at XRP's performance against Bitcoin. Will XRP ever set a new all-time high on its Bitcoin pairing? And then we'll look at the XRP market cap chart. How low can it go through the bear market? If we're going to hold XRP through the bear market, how high can it go in the next bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, in the last 1 year, XRP is down 45%. In the last 1 month, it's down 9.5%. In the last 1 week, it's just down 0.9%. We had a rally in the altcoin market. A lot of these altcoins rally. You can see some of them are still green, but the rally has just short-lived because Bitcoin has started dumping and altcoins are dumping hard, including XRP. Will XRP hold this critical level? And 0.31 level has been a very, very critical level for XRP to hold in the past. You can see that XRP has been reacting to that level quite a number of time. It's either XRP is above it, XRP is bullish, XRP is below 0.31, XRP is bearish, and this has been happening since May 2017. So should we buy XRP right now? Guys, we'll have to look to Bitcoin. Bitcoin will have to show us the way. But if XRP doesn't hold that level, worst case scenario, it's better to prepare for the worst, but you expect better things to happen in the future, so that when they happen, you just be like, you know what, you get ready. And remember, guys, the bear market is where you want to accumulate a lot of these altcoins, XRP included. You don't want to be buying in the moon. You don't want to buy when everybody's shouting to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. I remember when XRP was around $0.54 when we were pumping in 2021. A lot of people started buying XRP here, hoping to go to $5, $10. I got some XRP there. Even though I bought right here when the SEC sued Ripple, I still got some at 0.4. And when we got to $1.9, more people were buying thinking we're going to the moon, but that was the best time to sell because from this COVID sell-off right here, XRP was already up over 1,000%. You want to be careful when the bull market comes back, that when you're in profit, you don't want to get too greedy. But right now is the time to make those investments. Right now is the time to actually ask yourself, where should I be buying? If I'm buying right now, where will I be selling? Because from the high XRP set in 2021, XRP has lost 83% of its value. And believe you me, XRP is actually performing well. A lot of the altcoins are probably down 90 to 94% from their all-time high in 2021. Now, the million-dollar question is, will XRP hold this level? If we check the XRP RSI, you can see that XRP is oversold. So will XRP actually hold this level? This level has been very, very critical. Look at the number of times price has reacted to that level. We were pumping in 2017. We got stopped out of that level. We couldn't break that level till we broke into new all-time highs in December 2017. When we started dumping in 2018, price chilled at that level in August 2018. Even when the market was bottoming in November, December 2019, you can see that price was just consolidating around that bottom. And when we went below that price range, that was gobbling down. This was the COVID sell-off. And after COVID sell-off, before we broke into new all-time highs, we got rejected off that level again. Even before we dumped during the COVID sell-off, we got rejected off that level. And when the SEC sued Ripple, we went below that level for some accumulation. Right now, we're dumping again in 2022. Should we be accumulating XRP below 0.31 level? I think that would be a smart decision to do because history has shown that in the past, this has been a good time to accumulate XRP. Yes, they have the lawsuit on them and XRP is not pumping anytime soon. XRP actually started pumping before the SEC dropped the lawsuit on Ripple. And since then, XRP has been struggling in the market. Even though XRP is still a top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization, XRP has a market cap of $15 billion, a fully diluted market cap of $31 billion, and we have only 48% of the maximum 100 billion XRP that can be in circulation. We have 48% of those XRP in circulation. XRP is used for fast payment. XRP is for cross-border payment. It's very, very unique. It's one of the fastest cryptocurrency and it's very, very cheap. And that's why I believe it will still survive through the bear market. If this 0.31 level doesn't hold, we'll be looking at this 0.19 level. That's another very, very critical support for XRP. You can see that when the SEC sued Ripple and XRP dumped, that was the region where XRP found support. So if XRP doesn't hold this support, that will be another important level. We'll be looking to accumulate more XRP. And at some point in time, guys, we're going to get a relief rally in the market. Yes, we have been dumping basically in a straight line. At some point in time, we're going to get a bounce off on the bottom right here, probably carry XRP back to $1, then we might go to Goblin Town, but only time will tell what will happen right now. Another theory I've been playing with is that what if XRP is still completing its cycle from 2013, 2014? If it's the Fibonacci retracement tool on the XRP price chart and you see that, okay, let's use the top right here that came for XRP in 2013 and let's assume that XRP did the mama jamma, XRP went crazily to the moon. And let me just take all this off so that to look very clear to you guys. And use the Fibonacci extension tool from right here for XRP, and you use the 0.236 level to be the top. And you can see that yes, XRP overshot this extension, but XRP has been trading for majority of its existence inside this Fibonacci retracement extension, which is very, very crazy to see that all these levels have been holding. You can see that the bottom right here came for XRP at the 0.5 level. Right now, XRP is almost at the 1 level, and I'll actually put my money that maybe, just maybe, XRP will find its bottom around the 0.20, 0.19 level. That looks like a very, very important region, and that looks like the 0.78 region. If XRP finds its bottom, the next bull run, we might probably see XRP going to as high as $10, maybe $13. Only time will tell, but we need to find the bottom of this bull run first. XRP is one of those coins that will still be there. So how is XRP performing against Bitcoin, the #1 crypto in the market? Is it really pumping against Bitcoin? The last time I made a video, guys, we're talking about how you don't want to be flipping your Bitcoin for some XRP just yet. Yes, when the market is in easy mode, you can see that XRP outperforms Bitcoin. It happened in 2014 right here. XRP went up 1,800% against Bitcoin. It happened in 2017 and 2018. It happened in 2017 first. In February, XRP went up 5,300 against Bitcoin. So if you invested 1 Bitcoin in XRP right here and you sold it at the top right here, you got to buy back 53 Bitcoins. XRP dumped another 90% and pumps again. It had 2 mega pumps in 2017 and XRP pumped another 2,000% against Bitcoin. And maybe, just maybe, guys, that's why XRP has not been able to set new all-time highs against Bitcoin since then. Because, guys, since then, XRP has just been setting lower highs and lower lows. XRP has not been able to have any significant pump against Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, since 2019, XRP has not been able to outperform Bitcoin. XRP has been dumping really hard against Bitcoin. At this point in time, this will not be a smart decision to be holding some XRP. XRP is down 85% since 2019. How low will XRP go in the bear market? I might see us actually start setting a new all-time low. Even though we don't set a new all-time low, we might come back to this region, and this has been a good accumulation region for XRP against Bitcoin. A good time to flip your Bitcoin back to XRP. And history has shown that anytime XRP gets to this level, in 2014, that was the best time to buy. In 2016, that was another time to buy. Even during the COVID sell-off, we didn't get to that region, but that was a good time to buy again, even though XRP didn't pump that hard. I think history repeats itself. If we see XRP dumping another maybe 40% against Bitcoin, 60% against Bitcoin, this would be a good region to actually hedge your bets that XRP will actually go higher. Except you think that XRP will not survive this bear market, which I think XRP will. XRP has survived different bear markets and different bull runs since when it was created in 2013. Now, how is XRP performing against Ethereum? When should we be accumulating some XRP? Because, guys, the bear market is where you want to be accumulating a lot of these cryptos. Yes, the bear market is brutal. Yes, you probably bought the top. You probably bought XRP at 1.5, at $1. You are crying. You're losing your money. But, guys, look into the future. What do you think will happen in the future? At some point in time, we're going to go back to the bull run. You want to get yourself really, really prepared for the next bull run. And this critical level for XRP against Ethereum, we've rejected all this level 3 times. The last time XRP was here in April 2019. XRP was rejected off that same region, and we rejected off that region in January 2018 and even in May 2017. So the 3 major rallies XRP has had, XRP was rejected off that region. XRP has not been able to get back to that region against Ethereum since then. XRP has been setting lower highs and lower lows, And should you flip your Ethereum for some XRP? Since when Ethereum was launched in 2015, XRP has been losing massive value against Ethereum. XRP first lost 99% of its value against Ethereum, and then it gained a little back. It couldn't set new all-time highs. XRP went as high as pumping over 3,000% against Ethereum, but now XRP is down bad against Ethereum. It won't be advisable to be flipping your Ethereum for some XRP right now. But guys, when these altcoins are down really bad, that's when you want to be buying them. So that's the problem we have right now. History has shown that the last time XRP was in this region, this was a good time to be flipping your Ethereum for some XRP. You can see that flipping your Ethereum for some XRP on the 3rd of April 2017 led you to some gains. It was nothing to write home about, but guys, for XRP against Ethereum, that was huge gains. That was a 2,300% pump. Guys, flipping your Ethereum for some XRP right here in April 2017, that would have led to a 2,300% pump against Ethereum. Good times for XRP. Right now, buying XRP right here, the jury is still out. Will it pump the way it did in 2017? Because XRP has touched this level 3 times right now. I don't think the 4th time we hold, the 4th time we might set a new all-time low on the XRP Ethereum pairing. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How low do you think XRP will go through the bear market? And XRP market cap is currently at $15 billion. At the bottom of the previous bear market for XRP market cap got to as low as $5 billion. The 2021 high that XRP got to was $83 billion. It couldn't get to its previous all-time high of $141 billion. How long will it take XRP to set new all-time highs on its market cap chart right now from where XRP is at $15 billion for it to break to its all-time high on its market cap chart? XRP will have to pump around 800%. Is that possible? Yes, guys, but XRP has showed us that through the past, when XRP is pumping, it's when Bitcoin is pumping, and Bitcoin is dumping, XRP will be dumping. Right now, Bitcoin is dumping, and XRP has lost more than 81% of its market cap from as high as 83 billion in 2021 to as low as 15 billion right now. The line in the sand for XRP market cap, you don't see XRP market cap going lower than this $8.5 billion. If we lose $8.5 billion, the next logical support will be $5 billion. Only time will tell if we get to that level. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be getting some XRP through the bear market? Will you be hodling through the chaos? Will you sell some XRP right now hoping to get cheaper prices? Or will you be flipping your Bitcoin or your Ethereum for some XRP? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7